Settings. Eco. It is suggested for most delicate garments like synthetics, silk and blended fabrics. This setting allows less power consumption. Eye care. The eye care setting protects your clothes with a safe temperature for all kinds of fabrics, for smart textile protection and no time wasted on heating up or cooling down, saving time and hassle. Turbo. The turbo setting should be used for garments that need more powerful steam, like thick cotton linen and jeans. This setting can also be used to refresh garments that were in the cupboard before dressing. Steam ironing. Press the steam button or the precision shot button. Double trigger. Press the steam button or the precision shot button twice in quick succession within 1 second. There will be a continuous steam emission for a few seconds. Press the steam button or the precision shot button once again during steam emission to stop the function. Dry ironing. Iron without pressing the steam button or the precision shot button. Please note that after 10 minutes of dry ironing, the iron switches to the auto off mode. Vertical steam. The iron can also be used for steaming hanging clothes. Hold the iron in a vertical position, tilted slightly forwards. Press repeatedly the steam button or the precision shot button while moving the iron from top to the bottom. When the water level is becoming low, the water droplet icon starts flashing. At this stage, it is possible to continue steam ironing for about 10 to 15 minutes. When the water droplet icon turns permanently on, it becomes necessary to refill the tank. To continue steam ironing at this stage, refill the water tank. When the iron is in the auto-off mode, the iron will turn off to reduce power consumption. To turn the iron on again, the on-off button has to be pressed. Before you start ironing again, wait until the temperature control LED and the related icon for the setting in the display are permanently on.